Hello guys, welcome back to the daily forex. So in this video I'm going to show you a strategy for volatility 10 index using price action strategy. Okay, I'm going to be using two indicators for this strategy, which is going to be the money flow index, which is the MFI, and the RSI, which is the relative strength index. So I'm going to show you the settings real quick. For the period on the relative strength index, you choose on period 14, then you apply to close. Then the levels you put on the first level right here, you put on 90, and the second level is going to be 10 right there. And the style, you can choose any color of your choice, but you can see right here I choose the black color and I use 3 pixels right here. You can see 3 pixels, and the line is going to be the line with space, which you can see right here at the middle. Okay, at the middle. After that, you click on done real quick. Right here the style is going to be on blue color. Okay, and the pixel is going to be on 2 pixels, while the pattern of the line is going to be the straight pattern, which is the first one right here. As you can see, this first one, right, you apply to all time frames, then you click on done, right? So the second indicator, which is going to be the money inflow index. Okay, now the RSI has to be first, okay, so that you can see the levels, which is the 90 and the level 10, right? Because if you put the money flow index first, you're not going to see those levels there, right? So you put the RSI at the top of the money flow index on the indicator window 1. Okay, then you put the MFI for period 14. The volume is going to be tick right there, as you can see, and the levels going to be 20 and 80. The style is going to put on one pixel. The color, you can choose white or the ashes color right there, as you can see. Then the line, you can choose on the second line, which is the one with a space. After that, you click on done right here. Then the style right here, you put on the green color and you put on 2 pixels, and you use the first line, just as you can see. So these are the settings, very simple and easy for this strategy, which is called the price action strategy we're going to be using for this volatility 10 index. Okay, so the next step which you want to do is to choose in this straight line right here, as you can see. Then you put it at the level 71.39, right? You put it at this point, then you choose it again, okay, the M1 horizontal line, then you choose it again and you put it at 71.35. okay, you put at 71.35 at this point. Okay, now we're going to be taking candles, which is the red. We're going to be taking a sell when the MFI crosses above the level 90, and we're going to be taking a buy when the MFI crosses below the level 10. Okay, as easy as that. Okay, so as you can see, I just marked out these 2 points which I'm going to use for this strategy. I'm going to be using the 1 minute time frame for this volatility 10 index strategy. Okay, so now when the MFI crosses the level 90, that's the entry point which you want to take a sell. Okay, when the MFI right here at this point crosses the level 90, you take a sell. Okay, you take a sell, just as you can see right here. Then you take 2 or 3 red candles, because it's a sell. You take 2 or 3 red candles, then you are out of the market. Okay, now the price action has to be above this level, okay. You see this line and mark red. The price action need to be above this level for this to work well. All right, then also when the MFI crosses the level 10, when it crosses the level 10, you take a buy. Okay, once it crosses the level 10, that's when you want to take a buy below this level, okay, below the support level. That's when you want to take a buy. Okay, you take a buy for a green candle. You can take 2 or 3 green candles, then you are out of the market. Okay, you are out of the market, right? So it has to be below this level, all right, and it needs to cross the level 10, just as you can see at this point. Okay, just as you can see at this point. Then right here you can see the level 10. After that you see right here there was a green candle at this point below the support level. You can see below this point, you you can see below this point 71, this red one at the bottom, you can see this line which I mark right here. You can see at the level 10 below, you see this point. After that you see it, you got a spike right here. You can see there was a green candle, okay, a green candle, and that's a profit right there. Okay, so this is a short strategy and a good strategy when you're trading volatility 10 index using the 1 minute time frame. Okay, you can see at this point too, just like I said, and right here, okay, right here. Okay, so when you're trading, you need to mark out these 2 points, and I want you to know that the numbers, okay, when you mark out with those red lines, you can see they're not going to be equal. All right, so like for an instance, now when I scroll to this point, okay, to this point right here, as you can see, the line goes down. Okay, the line, okay, the numbers goes down. Then you have to, take it up again. Okay, you have to take it up again. You study the market charts. Okay, when you study the market charts, you put hit right here, the other one right here. Okay, you give 3 space, okay, 3 figure space, which is, you can see right here, 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3, you give those 3 space, then you put in the red line marker. Okay, I'm making the strategy very easy for you guys when you want to trade, okay, so that you can easily understand the strategy that I'm sharing with you guys right now. Okay, so if you're one of the guys that trade volatilities 10 index or 75 index, the strategy can really work well for you guys if you follow due procedure that I've just shown on this video. Okay, so guys, you leave 2 digits at the top right here, which you can see the 7144 and 7143. Then also at the bottom you leave 3, right? 7137, 7135, and 7134. Okay, you leave this 3 space and you leave this 2 space at the top. Then you mark out this one with a red line. Okay, then you mark out the other one with a red line, then you leave 3 at the middle. Okay, so each section of the chart you screw, let's say you screw forward or backwards, you gotta come back here and reposition this line so that you can see how the charts on the market correspond to the indicators. Okay, so that you can see how it corresponds with the indicator you are using to analyze the market, so that you can get a good entry point when the MFI crosses the level 90 and the level 10. All right, so that you can get a good entry point when you're trading the volatility 75 index. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about right here. Okay, so at this point you can see right here, at this point it crosses the level 10 below, you take your green candles. Okay, after that you're out of the market. Now as you can see right here, it's below that line. Okay, you can see at this point right here, you can see at this point right here. So if we put in the lines, you can see the lines right there. If we put in the lines, let's put in the lines and see what I'm talking about. Okay, you put one here, you put one line here, then you go back again and take another horizontal line, and you put the other horizontal line at this point. Okay, always give 3 at the middle. Okay, always give 3 at the middle. Then you see right here at this point the MFI crosses the level 10, you take your green candles. Okay, it crosses the level 10, you take your green candles. Right, if right here again it crosses the level 10, you take your green candles. It crosses the level 10, you take your green candles. Now as you can see, the price action, the price action is below this level. Okay, it's below this level, just as you can see. Okay, so this is a good strategy for volatility 10 index, as you can see right here. Okay, now right here, if you notice, the MFI, it crosses the level 90, but the price action, you can see the market right here is in the middle of this line. Okay, it's not below and it's not above at this point. It's not below, it's not above at this point, so you can't enter the market at this point. So you only enter into the market when the price action is below the support level in a downtrend, when the MFI crosses to level 10, and when the price action is above the resistance, you can see it's above this level at the resistance, okay, at the resistance zone, then you take a sell at that point. You take a sell at that point, okay, you take a sell at that point when the MFI crosses the level 90. At this point, the MFI crosses level 90, but the market chart right here, as you can see, is not above at this point, so you can enter the market. Okay, you won't get a red candles. All right, so I hope you understand this strategy that I just shared with you guys. Okay, now what I'm saying, I'm gonna brief it right. Okay, you enter the market during a downtrend when the MFI crosses the level 10 below the support level, below this line. All right, that's when you enter the market. You take a buy, right? You take a buy when it crosses level 10, and when the MFI crosses the level 90, when it crosses level 90 at the resistance, okay, above this line, you take a sell. Okay, you take a sell above this line. All right, that's when you can get your red candles. All right, and at the bottom you get your green candle. So I hope this strategy is clear to you guys. Okay, so on the next video, I'm gonna give you more awesome strategy just like this strategy that I've just shared for you guys. Okay, so if you enjoy watching this video and you find value in this video, do where to like, subscribe to this channel, the Daily Forex. I will see you guys in the next video.